Carter. Trying to stay far. Uh-oh, watch this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's chippy. Needless to say, it's a little windy out here today. Alright, we got Holland. Hopefully the ball stays there. We got 30 mile an hour sustained winds, 50 mile an hour gusts today, looking to California. For the win! Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Henson, Holland, Brian Carter, all in the way. We didn't get blown over by the wind too much. Be sure to check back in this year. Back 9 Network. We'll be doing a bunch of video blogs. Come check me out. See ya.